How to set game as live wallpaper. So let's see. First open Play Store, install any app like Pika game wallpaper. Open this, agree and continue. You can customize this app, like you can change role and wallpaper. Then after customization, then save this. Okay, set as wallpaper. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. So finally, as you can see, game set as live wallpaper. Thanks for watching.